Delta 7.
901, wind 240 east, 3 knots,
Air Atlantic.
10 east, runway 02, cleared for takeoff,
Flying for
Runway
Azul.
02, clear for takeoff, Azul, igniter 01, what here?
Got 11 Whiskey Quebec, continue taxi via Uniform 4, contact ground 121.755. Is Air Malta 8 Juliet Yankee, behind the traffic runway 02 via Mike, line up and wait behind.
After the landing traffic, line up and wait behind runway 02 is number 8 Juliet.